Right now, a jury is deliberating the fate of disbarred South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh, accused of murdering his wife and son. It's a trial that has grabbed the entire country's attention. Murdaugh's defense wrapping up their closing arguments today, leaving the case in the hands of 12 members of the jury. They have to decide, is he a murderer? The 6-week trial brought fiery and emotional testimony, culminating with the jury's trip to the Murdaugh's Moselle property, where Paul and Maggie were killed. If convicted, Murdaugh could face life in prison without parole. Senior national correspondent Brian Entin is live outside the courthouse. And Brian, a lot happened inside there today.
Yeah, it's been a busy day, Nicole. The jury has now been deliberating for an hour and 10 minutes, but man, it's been quite a day in court. Not only did we have closing arguments, but there was actually a juror who was booted off of the jury.
There are two words that justice demands in this case, and those two words are not guilty.
He killed her. He thought he could get a timeline, but it got him.
Closing arguments are finished, and the jury in the Alex Murdaugh trial is officially deliberating. For 6 weeks, they heard experts and theories about why investigators believe Murdaugh killed his wife Maggie and his son Paul. But the defense says one thing is missing in all of this: proof.
Up until now, you've not been able to say a single word. Can't imagine how frustrating that must be. But soon you will have the most powerful voice in this courtroom. With your words, you can let everyone know that in a court of law, only evidence and the burden of proof matters, not gossip, innuendo, opinions, and most of all, not theories layered on top of speculation.
In their rebuttal, prosecutors highlighting the lies Murdaugh has been caught in, like whether he was in the area near where the murders happened.
This case is about two things. It's about being real, and choices. This case is about that defendant never being real.
And unexpected courtroom drama. NewsNation cameras were rolling as a juror was dismissed and driven away from the courthouse. The judge says she had 3 conversations about evidence in the case.
It is improper. It is contrary to my instructions to the jury daily, multiple times per day. And this juror unfortunately violated that order.
An alternate juror was put into the dismissed juror's place. What was her reaction when the judge called her out and said she was removed?
She didn't seem to be upset. She was smiling. I'm sure she was probably embarrassed, but she seemed like she was pretty content with it. I think she probably expected it.
Okay, so that juror was booted off the jury. The alternate moved in, and now the deliberations are underway. It's all now in the hands of the jury. So we don't really know the timing, but the judge says they could deliberate up until 10 o'clock tonight. They haven't ordered dinner for them yet, so we don't know what that means, but we were told they have coffee and snacks, and they are busy deliberating right now. Nicole?
All right, until 10 o'clock tonight. Okay, Brian, thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.